Bonafide Hustler here, and in this video we're going to discuss my favorite top 5 items or genre of items to flip on Facebook Marketplace. What's up, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the inside of my garage. And I want to make a video on the 5 types of items that I really like to flip on Facebook Marketplace. Before we get into the content, you can follow me at the Bonafide Hustler on Instagram. You can also get this free money making guide right here. It's the first link down below, and it'll teach you some items that you should start looking for that you can buy from garage sales and thrift stores and other places, even Facebook Marketplace, and you can flip them for more money. So go check out that guide. It's the first link down below, and it's free. Yeah, ever since Facebook Marketplace became a big thing, which was many, many years ago, I've been flipping items on Facebook Marketplace and making money doing that. Now, when it comes to money that I make in a month, it's not the entire picture, but it's a piece of the picture, and I really like doing it. If you look at my vlogs, all of them, you'll kind of see that I kind of am addicted to selling on Facebook Marketplace in a way. Now, the items that I predominantly sell on Facebook Marketplace, I will find them typically at garage sales, estate sales, flea markets, swap meets, pawn shops, and even on Facebook Marketplace itself, and reflip it onto Facebook Marketplace. But that's where I usually find those items, and thrift stores too. Let's talk about item number 1 that I really like to sell, and it's pretty obvious. It would be bikes. Now, bikes are a great item to sell on Facebook Marketplace. I really like the brands Trek and Specialized. Now, before Facebook Marketplace came around, I was flipping them on Craigslist and even on eBay sometimes. But now that Facebook Marketplace is the ragey thing that it is, and everyone's on it, then it is definitely the place where I sell most of my bicycles to this date. And I don't want to be boxing up a bike or shipping a bike, from one end of the country to another. That doesn't interest me that much. But a one and done Facebook Marketplace flip, yeah, I like flipping bikes, and that's pretty obvious. Now, number 2 would be shoes. That's right, and shoes and boots, basically. And when I flip shoes and boots on Facebook Marketplace, I usually like to flip Doc Martens, On Cloud shoes, Hoka's, cowboy boots, exotic cowboy boots, those kind of things. So shoes and boots for sure. Definitely, I love to flip them on Facebook Marketplace. And a lot of the shoes that I sell on Facebook Marketplace were cross-listed on eBay, and so if they do sell locally, I just yank the eBay listing. Number 3 would be bags. Yeah, I like flipping bags on Facebook Marketplace too, especially North Face bags, Patagonia bags, Yeti bags, things like that. My girlfriend likes selling bags on Facebook Marketplace as well, but she usually deals with Coach and Dooney and things like that. The 4th item that I like to flip on Facebook Marketplace would be furniture. Now, furniture is pretty obvious why you would want to move it locally, or at least put it in a consignment store or something, because no one wants to disassemble furniture. No one wants to ship furniture. Things can get completely destroyed in shipping. But selling something that's furniture related, whether it's as simple as end tables or as complex as a sofa or, a giant bookcase or something like that, that should be sold locally on Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, or even in a consignment store. Obviously, I like mid-century modern stuff. I like flipping tiki things, bamboo things, rattan, and various end tables. I think if you have the space to actually mess with furniture, it's a pretty good thing to flip on Facebook Marketplace. The last thing that's my favorite thing to flip on Facebook Marketplace are video games. Now, video games are pretty awesome. Obviously, the super high tier ones that do belong on eBay, I'll put them on eBay, but much like bicycles and probably a faster flip than bicycles, video games do very well on Facebook Marketplaces, especially if you have bundles or things like that. When it comes to video games, I would focus on, pretty much anything Nintendo, Sega, there's TurboGrafx 16, there's Game Boy stuff, there's DS stuff. There's just a lot of game systems out there, and certain Xbox things as well, PlayStation titles. There's just a lot. It would be a lot to cover in just one video. But video games, the cartridges, the discs, the consoles, the controllers, all that kind of stuff, you could really flip that on Facebook Marketplace for pretty good money. So that's the video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And, what are your favorite items that you like to flip on Facebook Marketplace? Put it down below. I want to see. Obviously, these 5 are not the only 5 that I flip on Facebook Marketplace, but it's definitely my top 5, and I wanted to make a video about it. But yeah, share some of yours down below, and I'll see you on the next video. Take it easy. Goodbye.